And what do we do now? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S update for Friday, September the 18th. It is triple witching expiration, and what do we do now? The markets were mixed, then they were trying to run higher. Now, except for the Russell, they're getting clobbered, especially the NASDAQ, which is down over 100. And now what? Well, we're short. So that's a good thing. Okay. At the end of the day, look, we have our positions, as you know. We don't adjust. We don't change them until potentially the next day. But we are short. We've been short, and it looks like we're finally breaking to the downside. Now, obviously, we're at some very key levels on the bottom end here now. We need to break to the downside. Otherwise, they'll probably pop right back up to the top of the range, right? We've been in this miserable torture of consolidation. So maybe, I don't know, triple witching, maybe we'll get some follow through. We'll see. We'll see what happens from here. Again, we're going to remain short. It's that simple. Metals are mixed as crazy as well, and they're in the same pattern. Again, most markets are in this miserable pattern of consolidation, which is known as the torture chamber for trend trading and for traders in general, because you never get any momentum in either direction. They run to one side, get everybody in, break them down, go to the other side, get everybody in. And it's a vicious circle of crap, but that's what it is. So we're short the metals across the board. We did reverse in oil this morning. It is a little bit higher. The dollar continues to be lower, and again, looking like it's heading back to that 92 level. But again, consolidating just the same. Copper's a little bit higher. Natural gas is a little bit higher. We're long both. But, as we look at the markets, it's really just a big pile of nothing right now. It's just a big mix of, I don't know where we're going. That's what the markets are saying, as they decipher and try to figure out what should be next. And we will see, I guess, where they're going to end up going. But again, we are short, so our positions will stay the same at least throughout today, no matter what happens. But again, it looks like they're heading in our direction pretty much across the board right now. And of course, that's when you're trading the trends of individuals, that's what you end up with. And you usually end up with a nice, pleasant ending. And I think that's what we'll end up here as well. So we look like we're in pretty good shape. Grains higher across the board. They have given back a little bit of the earlier gains, but still significantly higher once again, just showing the power of our algorithm and our trading and our understanding of how the markets work. We continue to see this grind higher, and of course, if we can get some selling in the equities, it will even increase the buying coming into the agricultural markets. So grains continue to go higher. Cattle and hogs are both higher. We're still short cattle and still long hogs. But again, cattle will probably reverse here shortly. It's been really just stuck in this consolidation band. So, as we look at markets, again, they're all the same as far as we're concerned. It's about price, time, and price action. Okay, and everything trends or consolidates, and that's really the market cycles as we see them. So, as long as we're trending, we're extremely happy, and because if we're wrong initially, we're right on the repeat. So everything looks great. We're in very good shape here. And of course, yesterday up, that also didn't hurt us. So we're in great shape. It's going to be a good week, I think. And at the end of the day, let's have a great weekend, everybody. And of course, we got Bubba's Bottom Line on Sunday. Don't forget our great new partnership with Family Farms. Very exciting, as I talk to them all the time. Unfortunately, haven't been able to get out there because of these restrictions in this the great state of Illinois. But whatever. In the meantime, our great brokerage partners as well. CTG for commodities and futures. They do all of our letter of direction trading, including my own. Now, I do have other brokerage accounts, being clear, but at the end of the day, I want CTG to do my trading. It takes away anything I have to think about. They get the orders. They execute, for example, they executed crude oil for me this morning. Bang, I didn't have to think about it. Boom, it was done. In the meantime, they got some great new products coming out as well, and we were going to share some of that with you in some webinars. And our brokerage partner at Tradier for equities and options. As I say every day, $10 a month. How can you possibly beat it? In the meantime, we also have their API which we are working on automating everything going forward. And by 2021, which is not that far now, we will be totally 100% automated through Trader. Now, you can use the software without Trader. You don't have to use the software. But we will have the opportunity to give you all that information. And, of course, the commodity report, Andy Hecht, unbelievable. And he's been in fuego on these commodities. And, of course, he also shares with you the corresponding ETFs that go along with them. And what we want you to understand is that you can trade either, but you'll get the information, and it's updated weekly. The spreadsheet's updated weekly, so you get a report and a weekly spreadsheet, plus the quarterlies are coming soon. So for me and for you, I think you should be checking out this commodity report. It's called Technomental. We will be going up in price, but right now it's $100 a month or $800 a year. And, of course, don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And, of course, Cincinnati Bengals bailed us out again. Well, not again. But we're 2-0 now in the early young season of football. Looking forward to another great Sunday. And, of course, I'll have picks for you on Bubba's Bottom Line Sunday morning. Have a great weekend, everybody. Take care. Be well. Triple witching expiration. Just be careful. Have a great weekend. We'll see you later.